Hi guys, welcome to the another unboxing. This time we will be unboxing the walkie-talkie which I ordered from Amazon. So let's start to unwrap it. So here we have the bill. I will be keeping it outside. Let's try to tear it from here. There are some sellotape works which Amazon and done this time. So it came in a nice bubble wrap. Still a little more. I hope there is no more sellotapes. Yep, no. Here is the walkie-talkie. This is a set of two. Uh, I planned it to use it on my rides. Let's see what's inside. So we have the user manual. Good, it is written in English. Not to worry about. So we have one charging station. This is the normal connector. So we have two of them. And what else we got? To make use of these functions, we have the clips. We have the device here. So the battery is coming separately. So we have the battery here, we have the device here, and we have the docking station which we need to charge the device. The other hands free is here, the clip. uh, let's see where the clip goes. Maybe somewhere here. I need to figure it out where this gets attached. So for connecting, we have to just slide it here by pushing the small lever, and as soon as you connect it, it is going to get activated. The antenna is like a screw type. You just have to insert it and tighten it up. Now let's insert the battery and see. You have to just slightly press here a little so that this lever gets activated.
Power on. 15.
So once you insert the battery, it gets powered on. The controls are here for on and off volume, the readings. This is the light. I don't know which button. Yeah, this button activates it. It has functions too. If you press it once, it will be still. If you press it twice, it will be like blinking. Third time, it turns off. And this is the button to talk, I guess. This, yeah, here we have the connectivity options for hands free. I did not get it with the box, and the device is light, not that heavy. Yeah, you can use it. Regarding this clip, maybe there is some sort of screw attachment, I guess, but need to see. Here is the lanyard. You can use this to tie it up and just put it in the docking station like this to get it charged. So this is another device, the battery for that, and this is the main walkie-talkie. Yes, so that was all inside the box. I will be using it on my next ride because I will be riding with one more guy. So this is it. Do leave your comments if you're using it and what was your initial feedback. Once I'm in the ride, I will be giving a detailed review of this, how it is using, what the functionalities are, is it easy to use or not. Also, we will come to know that is it better than using an expensive Sena and how handy it is. This definitely has a long battery here. The use times are also high in these devices. So yeah, this was the walkie-talkie which I ordered from Amazon. Uh, do leave your good comments and appreciate the video. Thanks.